Hello viewers, welcome back to Yalnidhi channel. Today we are going to learn about rank formula, count blank formula and large formula. So first, rank formula. If you are having a list, in that list you need to rank the values from highest to lowest. So here is the list. These are all the CGPA of students. In this list you need to rank the values. So here you can see the highest value is 8.75. It is ranked as 1, and the lowest value is 7 and it is ranked as 10. Likewise, you need to rank the students, and then you need to count the blank cells. So here there are 2 cells are blank, that has been counted here, and then finally you need the highest value, second highest value and third highest value. Whatever the value is, you need to take the first 3 values here. Okay, let us see how to do it. I am going to make the copy of this sheet here. So you can see I am going to delete these values. So first is rank formula. So equal to rank, and which value you are going to. So this is the value and then the reference of this. So rank, select the cell and then the list. So now you can see, and then you double click it, you will get this list. So if I change this value here, you can see 8.15 is the list. Now I am going to change the value as 8.9. So you can see this will become the rank 1. Okay. Then the count blank. You can see this is the blank cell. You are going to count here. The formula is count blank. You can see count blank. What is the range? This list is the range for me to count the blank cells. You can see 2 blank cell is here. So you have to count these 2 blank cells. So count it here. Okay. Then the third one is large. So the first of all, I need to get the highest value. So it is called large. What is the array here? This list is the array here. So comma. What is the highest value? Is number 1. The first highest is the first large. So number 1 is the list. Enter. Now the second large value. The same array here, comma, second highest value. So number 2, enter. Third one, likewise the same array here, the third highest. You can see the first three highest value has been arrived here. Let us see. I am going to change the values here. Now it is 8.75. I am going to change it as 8.0. You can see if I changed here, the rank also changed, the highest value also changed. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like our channel. If you like our channel, subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.